Facebook is a huge platform, people using it around entire world and engaging with videos and posts, right? Every single day. So imagine a huge community like this can help increasing your video views on your one YouTube channel and increasing your subscribers for your one YouTube channel. But most possibly it's going to be difficult. So that's why I have added a new feature on our app, Sub4Sub Super Fast Booster, and I'm going to explain this new feature in this video. So let's get started. Hello amazing people, and welcome to the new video of Sigma World. So really quick, I'm going to explain the new features in our Sub4Sub Super Fast Booster app. So if you did not download the app yet, so go ahead and download it. Type on Google Sub4Sub Super Fast Booster and download the app. It's going to help you for free every single day to increase your video views and your one YouTube channel. Alright, so let me start explaining. As you see in the beginning of this video, imagine that you have videos on your one YouTube channel, okay, and you want these videos be shared on Facebook platform through other people, okay. So here the idea coming. So let's say that you're going to do that by yourself and start trying to sharing your video views on Facebook in same groups. Okay, so the problem right here, if you share the video on the group, the first problem you're going to face it is the admin of the group. Most of the time is going to take forever to approve it, your video, okay? If they approve it, you're not going to get any engagement. Why? Because in the group they are thousands of people just like you, they trying to sharing their one video views, okay? So in this case you're not going to get any engagement with your video. So the main idea of this new feature in the app is very simple. So how is going to work to helping you make it automated and the same time easy and for free, and guaranteeing you to get real engagement. Alright, so I'm going to explain how it works. First of all, you go to the app, okay, and you have to edit your video link right here if you did not edit it yet. So I'm going to explain that really quick. Maybe you did not know how to do it. So you're selecting the video from your channel, copy the link, okay, go back to the app, okay, you go to here and simply you edit the video. After you do, you back, you go right here, and in the Smart Tool section you can see the new features is in the top right here. So the time recording this video, these features I just finished it and is going to be available in the next update. So you're going to click on share on Facebook platform right here, okay, and it's going to redirect you to this section page right here. You can read every details about this feature, how it works. So basically, as we say, you're going to make an advertisement campaign for your one video, okay, and other people in this app is going to start sharing your video through Facebook on their one Facebook pages, okay. So after you read everything, you can see right here we have two buttons, okay. The first one to create advertisement campaign to start sharing your video on Facebook. So you click on this first button right here and you're going to see this section right here. So you're selecting the video. Let's say we want selecting this video right here, and you can scroll down a little bit and you can see the number of the video sharing. What that mean? Simply that means the number that you want, how many times your video is going to be sharing on Facebook, okay. So we click on it and it's going to pop up for you this calculator right here, and we can see, for example, I want this video be sharing on Facebook 20 times, okay. So we select in 20 and it's going to give me the total of coins that I need them to create this advertisement campaign. So all I have to do is click on create a campaign button right here, and you can see the message saying my campaign is successfully created. After I'm done, I go back, okay, and you scroll down and you can see in the second button what we're saying share video and earn point. What that means? Here where the magic happened for these new features. So all users in this app, they will sharing videos on day one Facebook pages, okay? So you come after creating this campaign, your campaign is going automatically be disabling in this section, okay? So other person is coming and share the video and collecting rewards, okay? The same thing for you. If you want collecting rewards through this option, you can do it by click on this button right here, and you can see the video we just edited disabling right here. As I say, this feature I just finished it, and this video you're going to see it after the updates will be available in the app on Play Store, okay? So right here you can see it's empty. Why? Because it's just me, I'm just explaining it. But when the update is available, you can see all other users right here. So why the video is playing? Because you have the freedom to choose which video that you want to share it on your one Facebook page. Maybe you don't like this video and you don't want to share it, so that's totally okay. You can choose any video that you want to share it and get a reward for your sharing. Simply how it works, all you have to do is click on this Facebook icon button right here. So when we click on it, it's going to open for me the video on the section where we can share the posts on Facebook. You can type whatever you want right here with the video, and simply you click on post. Okay, so when it's done, it's going to sharing the video. Okay, and all you have to do after is sharing, we back. And you can see I collecting 100 points by sharing this video. That's amazing, right? So this option is going to be available for all our app users in the next update. So the time I'm recording this video, it's just me in this moment, but when you see in this video, you're going to see all users in this section, so you can exchanging video sharing through Facebook pages, and you have the totally freedom to choose whatever video that you want to sharing, okay? And you collecting reward points for every single video that you share. I think this option is amazing and is going to help a lot of YouTube creators to get real engagement through Facebook to day one videos on day one YouTube channels for free, totally for free, okay? And they are no bots, no fake accounts, nothing like this. Every single user in this app is real person, okay? He engaging through the app, so the app guaranteeing you getting real engagement. No bots, no fake accounts like most of other similar apps. So download the app if you did not download it. See you next time, and thank you.